fleeing for their lives. 2 bombs hit as anti-aircraft gunfire pierced the sky, but it was of little use. Libya's rebel forces, however, remained defiant in the face of the aerial assault from Moamer Kadhafi's troops. But the strikes continued, this one hitting a house in the now abandoned town of Ras Lanuf. Still determined to push on, some marched toward the ever-encroaching front line.
We will win. We will not surrender. We win or we're gonna die. Victory! Victory! This is the price of freedom.
But the chances of an early victory look bleak as sustained shelling from regime troops pushes the rebels back even further.
We were the first group to go. We only had Kalashnikovs, no rocket-propelled grenades or anything, and they hit us with everything they had.
Ferried from the battleground, casualties arrived as doctors fought to keep the injured alive. Calls for a UN-enforced no-fly zone have increased in recent days as the rebels have been driven back by the superior firepower of Gaddafi's regime.
We didn't faith in United Nations. We didn't faith in Security Council. My people died on my eyes, and they are in their offices, in air conditions, and they are speaking without any actions.
International pressure has so far failed to end the crisis. For the Libyan people, no resolution means the suffering goes on.